So joining us in the studios today, Pantaloons Femina Miss India World 2012 Vanya Mishra, who made a splash at the Miss World pageant held in China this year by making it to the top 7 and bagging 2 top honors. Vanya, thank you so much for joining us and talking to us.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
And welcome back to India.
Yes, feels amazing.
Feels amazing.
Yes.
So when you arrived, people were there to receive you. There was a huge welcome arranged for you. So did you expect all that when you were leaving from the country to China?
Well, honestly, to say I had even bigger expectations because I think it's not just about me. I really wanted to make India proud. And I wanted to win the title, and I was very close to winning as well.
Right.
So I think it's not that disappointing as well, because ultimately I think there were 116 countries, the highest number ever.
Yeah.
And I've been with those girls for a month, and you know, by the end of it, you don't feel bad because you didn't win, because you know them so closely, you know them, they're also beautiful. I was still in top 7, and I won 2 titles, and I was leading the scoreboard at one point of time, and I think all of these achievements are also very important and very special, and ultimately the crown has to go to just one person.
Yes.
We have to put in our best effort, and we can't help it beyond that. I think rest is just destiny.
So I think it's the experience that you have come back with. Also, how was it like on the Miss World stage? The drama, it was all exciting, nerve-wracking. Were you nervous? How was your whole experience in China, meeting all these people?
It's been a childhood dream for me to be there on the Miss World stage, and it came true. And I think I wouldn't have been able to believe it had I won, but I think now I'm here back in my home country, and I think the loveliest part is the reaction of the people. Even though I didn't win, they're so proud of me. They're like, for you stand as a Miss World for us. And I think that's very special. There's not even a single person who has not showed their confidence in me, their love and support for me. So I feel great. I won Beauty with a Purpose, which holds the maximum weightage out of all the events. And I think when people, even before, like when they were, while they were judging it, they came up to me and they told me that they loved my video. There was a separate judging panel for the Beauty with a Purpose event. And the people from, I think, UK, and they came up to me and they told me that how beautiful they found my purpose, and they were really inspired by it, and they wished to contact me in future, and they hope that I work more and more towards it.
Okay, Vanya, so many rounds at the Miss World pageant. Which one, according to you, was the most challenging, and how did you prepare for all these rounds?
Well, yes, I think the whole competition was a journey of its kind, and we had so many fast track events, which basically adds up to your point. So I think before when they would come up, okay, so now the semi-finalists for top model, the semi-finalists for Beach Beauty, for multimedia, for Beauty with Purpose, everybody would be waiting in anticipation. Will they make it or will they not? And when I think the first one was top model, and I made it to the semi-finalist of top model, and then to the Beach Beauty as well in a few days' time. And the toughest part, I think, was to the whole journey, in the way that, because you know that your points are being added up, and in the end the top 30 are going to be based on that. So you're just hoping to do your best in each and every contest, but it's not really in your hands.
Vanya, also I'd like to mention you performed on stage there. You did a Mujra number on stage, and I remember last time we spoke, you told me how you're preparing for it. So tell us about the feedback that you got there. And
everybody, even though I was surprised to know that they will not understand the lyrics of the song because it was in Hindi, it's a Bollywood number, and people don't know Hindi, and everyone would come up to me and, oh, we love your dance, how do you do this step? And we just love it, because when I would turn around and I'd do a step, and they would love it, and then they were like, can you tell us which movie is it? We can YouTube it, we really want the song, we really want to learn the dance.
Could you just show us like a little step, like something from what you performed over there, something that you taught these other contestants?
Yeah, so they one of these steps, when while I'm sitting, and then I turn around, and then I do Mera Kaha Maan Lijiye. So they used to love this. How do you do this? And then there was this step where I go like this in the end. So it was amazing.
Well then, I think we should show our viewers what you performed on stage in China, and it's a much talked about performance. Vanya, you won 2 top honors at the Miss World pageant, which is Miss Multimedia and Miss Beauty with a Purpose. So you must have worked really hard for it. What did they see in you that they gave you these titles?
For the Multimedia Award, even I was very surprised because we were in China, so we couldn't access Facebook, and we had to keep our Facebook page updated. So that was a bit tricky because we couldn't really see, but I used to send my updates on regular basis. I used to take pictures along with the contestants of the places we were visiting, of the whole experience, and so I think they even considered that. And the judges were really impressed by Mexico and my work. And I think it's a big honor.
Beauty with a purpose, and I know that you have been doing a lot of social work, as you mentioned before. What is that one thing that really impressed? Because there are a lot of social workers in the world, but there must be something that added on to what you have been doing.
Well, before entering into the Miss India pageant, I had pledged to donate my eyes. That was the first thing that I did. And later on, I found out about Muktangan, which is based in Mumbai itself while I was staying here. And the concept of the organization is so unique and it's so empowering, not just for little kids. It works basically to educate the underprivileged children. But at the same time, it encourages people, women, especially from the community, to come forward and take up teaching training program.